Hello. So, I'm going to make a little video on hole saw kits. So, I've had this old Craftsman hole saw kit for, oh geez, probably 25, close to 30 years. It's tired. Obviously, I'm missing some of the small ones and the 2.5 inch. Actually, I think I know where that is, but they're tired. They don't go through plywood too well anymore. And over time, I have picked up some of the bigger hole saw, the hog bits. I've got the big fuel bit drill. So I've got some of the other big ones here, which I use for plumbing and electrical. I just thought it was time to upgrade. So Home Depot had this kit on sale. It was 98 bucks. It was about 70 bucks off. I thought, okay, you know what? I'll get it. But boy, it seems like a big box. So of course I get it home, take the packaging off, look inside. It's like, geez, like a lot of space for what, 6 bits. And I thought, you know what? This is silly, Milwaukee. Let's do this. Let's just see if we can consolidate a little bit here. Take all the bits out. It's just some it's just some foam in here, which is going to get chewed up anyways. So, what do you think, Milwaukee? Come on. Like, what a waste of space. Anyone that contractor knows that space is valuable where they keep their tools. This is not necessary. A big box for 6 bits. I guess I'm going to find something else a little more convenient, because this is just ridiculous. I think what I might do, actually I got the big hog bits. I might actually take this bag here and use it, stack them up just like in here. Got the big hog fuel unit. I guess I'll put them right in here. That's gonna work just fine. Okay. Pockets on the sides for your bits. Can go in there. These can all go in there. And this thing here, I don't know. I thought maybe that, nope, that ain't gonna fit in there. So there you go. Got it all together in there. I'm gonna get the smaller set, I think. Yeah, I'm gonna get the smaller ones for that too as well. So maybe I'll find use for this somewhere else. I don't know what, but that's unnecessary. So I don't know what you all think, but that's not necessary at all. Okay, so that's my spiel for the day. Till next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.